1.
Create a 3D mesh. Cast. Part type. Clothing top or bottom. Type nude. Pick one. Name it. Export mesh. Pick clothes similar to what you're making. Save it on the desktop. Export mesh. Save it as ref.
2.
Open.
Blender.
2.79.
Find that in the description.
Export nude as an OBJ. Put it in.
Maya. 3.
Make or import your clothes. Add the UV texture to it.
Find that in the description.
UV the clothes. Pop it on the body or in one of these sections. Image. UV snapshot. Apply. Paint it. For how to paint it in Photoshop, check out step 8 of my old video.
Find that in the description.
Export it.
4.
Import your clothes. On clothes, click this. Rename to UV_0. Click plus. Call it UV_1. File. Append. Ref. Object. Select all Sims 4 Studio files. Append. Select all reference files. Join them.
5.
Click ref. Click top. Click this. Add modifier. Data transfer. Select your ref. Select face corner data. UVs. UV_1. UV_1. Apply.
6.
On your top, edit mode. Click the pin. Click your nude. Edit mode. Deselect if it's highlight. Press this square if you can't see your UV. Select a section that's covered by the clothes. Use this for faces. Use this for vertices. Press delete. Vertices or faces. Pinch and pull your model till they're underneath the clothes. Check your model. Click your top. Click your nude. Join them. Save it. Close it.
7.
Open.
Blender.
2.70. Select reference. Select top. Weight paint. Transfer weights. Check it. Delete ref. Select solid. Vertex paint. Click the eyedrop. Eyedrop the green. Click paint. Set vertex colors. Save.
8.
Import it on every LOD. Add the texture. Customize it. Customize it. Customize it. Now, test it. Nice and quick, huh? Huge thanks to Ebonix Sims for helping me with this one. If you've not checked her out yet, check her out on Twitch. Is there something in The Sims 4 you want to know how to do? Leave a comment down below. For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.